All right, today we're gonna bring in indoor carpet, and this is perfect if you have dogs. We cover our dogs, our sofas because we have a dog and he sheds a lot. But this carpet is very simple to clean. If you guys notice, this little dog here, you just remove it with the vacuum, and it has a grip, so you could grip. It grips on the floor, hardwood floor, any pavement that you have. They have multiple colors and sizes that you can get for your carpet and your design. If you're an interior designer, they have different multiple sizes for this, and like I said, different designs and colors. So I like that the dog could just come in here, sit down. We have this already for a month already, and it still looks like it's brand new. Just pass the vacuum in there, and then simple, the hair comes off. It doesn't grip on too much. So hope you guys enjoy the video.